Bonjour les amis and everyone who's watching. I hope you all have been having a great weekend. So I didn't post a video last week, but I will be posting one obviously today. But I forgot the book, the Voici book. So I will be reading it off of my computer. So I will follow along that way. But I'm going to start with our sounds and our sight words. So this week and last week, I sent this home on Friday. We did le Z, so le Z, comme un zèbre, so le Z, et le Y, and the Y makes the Y sound, comme yogurt, or yo-yo, so le Y, comme Y, et le Z, le Z, comme Z. So those were our sounds, and we've also been working on some words. So voici. So voici we've used a lot this week for our show and tell. So voici mon ami Charles. So voici, here is. We've also did le et, so how to say and. So et, which is E-N-T, le zèbre est blanc et noir. So the zebra is black and white. Et. And we also did le est. So how to say something or someone is. So Madame est une enseignante. Or we could say Madame est une fille. So those were our sounds and our sight words. And then for our book, Voici, like I said, I will read it off of my computer, so if you want to follow along. So our title page is Voici. And the first page is Voici mon bain. J'aime prendre des bains. So it's the picture with the bathtub. So voici mon bain. J'aime prendre des bains. So our second page is the page with toys. So I'll show you. Hopefully you can all see that. Voici mes jouets. J'aime jouer avec mes jouets. And our third page is the one with the TV. So this is what you should be able to see. So, voici ma télévision. So in French, when we're talking about a TV, we can either call it a télévision or we can just say télé. So voici ma télévision. J'aime regarder des films avec ma famille. Voici ma télévision. J'aime regarder des films avec ma famille. And our next page is this. So, voici ma table. On mange à la table. So, voici ma table. On mange à la table. This is our next page. Voici ma cour. Je joue dehors avec mes amis. So cour is a backyard. So voici ma cour. Je joue dehors avec mes amis. And our last page. This one. Voici mon lit. J'aime mon lit. So, voici mon lit. J'aime mon lit. So that was our book that was sent home last week. And then those are the sounds and the sight words that we have been working on. And I will post one again next week or the week after March break. À demain!